Okay, good day everyone. So today I'll be showing how to import shapefile into PostgreSQL. But before then, the method we'll be doing is we'll be using PostGIS extension of PostgreSQL to do that. So we'll come over here and search for PostGIS. So first of all, you must have your PostGIS installed. It's actually a PostgreSQL extension. So you search for it and you load it. You wait for it to come up. So here we have the PostGIS uploaded. So the next thing we do, we are going to create a connection. So we are going to connect to your master database username. So here, every PostgreSQL have like a master username, which is how you access the database. So mine is postgre. Then you put in the password. Then you put the name of this one. They are by default. You put then this last one. You put the name of the database you're trying to upload the data to. So mine is Postgre. I'll just upload it. Name of my database is Postgre. So you click go. Okay. Data our PostGIS have successfully connected with PostgreSQL. You can see the message here. So the next thing is we'll go under here to add file. So here, so from whatever folder you have the shapefile uploaded or saved, you are going to like search for it. So you come to your desktop and so you just you look for the you look for the data. So here is the amount shapefile. Then you click open. So after clicking open, you see the folder here, the file here. You can see the root where the folder is saved, and this is the file. Then the next thing you want to do is you click import. So after clicking import, now you can see it's written over here that our shapefile is successfully uploaded to PostgreSQL. You can see the message here to go to our PostgreSQL. So come under here, you refresh the page. So after you refresh, you come to under PostgreSQL. Then you come to under PostgreSQL. Then you come to under column to confirm our data. So you come to under table. You can see here now. This is our data, and you can see the folder now. So you can just do an example of like so just write a code now NYMTA 2020. Since we have our data here, we come down here to the folder and click on the Postgre folder that I want to write our code on. You click on query tool. So it's going to give you an interface to like run your query. So here now we are going to write and you click execute. So here now as you can see we have our data uploaded. So you can see we have our data.